Good morning, dear students. Today we shall continue the arithmetic progression exercise number 1.1 from the second question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So we need to check whether this situation form an AP. So let us consider the amount of air are nothing but the volume of air BV. Okay, now what is 1/4 of V? It is V by 4. Now removing this V by 4, what is the amount of air which is present in this cylinder? So if I take V, volume V, amount of air is present in the cylinder. Okay, and 1/4 of air is removed every time. 1/4 is removed. Now what is the amount of air remaining in this? See here, V minus V by 4. As you know, we need to take the LCM. Then it becomes 4 is the LCM. 4V minus V, 3V by 4. So now 3V by 4 of gas is remaining in this. 3V by 4 of gas is remaining in this after removing V by 4. 1/4 of V. Okay. Now what is 3 by 4 of 3V by 4 or 1/4 of 3V by 4? So this is the amount of air is remaining. This is the first situation and this is the second case. Now what is the amount of air remaining in this particular cylinder if I remove 1/4 of the remaining air, that is 3V by 4? Then it is, as you know, 3V by 16 is the air removed for second time. Now this 3V by 16 should be subtracted from the actual air which is remaining in this. So it is removed. Now what is the remaining air? It is 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16. Now what is the LCM for this? 16. 4 can divide 16 for how many times? 4 times. So 4 3s are 12V minus 3V. Now it is 9V by 16 is the remaining air. Okay. Now we can check right now only whether these maintain common difference. So first it was V. Now it is 3V by 4. Now it is 9V by 16. Do they maintain common difference? No. Instead, they maintain common ratio. So 1/4 of every time the air is removed, they doesn't maintain common difference here. So hence what we can say? Hence the situation is not in AP. Okay, did you understand? So keep on watching this. Observe the way of calculation that what we have done. You will understand it. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can just WhatsApp me. Then let's see the next question. The cost of digging well after every meter of digging when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for every subsequent meter. Now, if the person start digging a well, consider this is 1 meter. So if he has digged well for 1 meter, the first meter will be rupees 150 for every subsequent meter. So second meter, if they dig, then it increases plus 50. So third meter, if he increases, then it increases with plus 50 once again. So for every subsequent meter, the amount increases by 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. It goes on increasing. So then it becomes 150 for first meter. Second meter it will be 200. Third meter it will be 250. So I think you got it right now only. So let me write the first term AB 150. Now the second term 200. The third term 250. Okay. Now do they maintain common difference? That is the way that how we can identify whether the given situation is in AP or not. So let us take that. As you know, difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Then what it should be? D is equal to 200 minus 150. Now D is equal to how much did we get? 50. So D is equal to, next situation, A3 minus A2. It's very easily we can understand here only. Yes, it forms AP, but still we need to calculate. So 250 minus 200. Yes, difference is 50. So every time we are getting a common difference of 50-50. So above situation form an AP. Okay, now let's move to the next question. So the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest of 8%. So you need to understand the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So as we know, SI is equal to P into T into R over 100 is a formula that we use to find simple interest. Simple interest means there is no addition of interest to the principal. Okay, so just we calculate it roughly, like consider a person has taken 10,000 rupees for simple interest. So at 3%, so for 100 rupees 3 rupees, for 1000 rupees 30 rupees, for 10,000 rupees it is 300 rupees. So 300 rupees will be the interest. Which interest? Simple interest. Okay, for next year also it will be 300 only. That way if you calculate, for second year also, third year also, if it is rupees 300 only. So this is for first year, this is for second year, and this is for third year. So there is no increase in the interest. So this is how we calculate. So if this is a question on simple interest, then it could form AP, because every time we are getting the same interest amount. So we are not adding this interest amount to the principal amount. Okay, we are not adding the interest amount to the principal amount. That is what we call simple interest. Now interest is not compounded here. Now compound interest, so as they are mentioning amount, directly we shall go to the formula of amount. Amount is equal to, now it is principal of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Now this is the formula to find amount. What amount it will be for first year, what amount will be for the next year. So A stands for amount, P stands for principal, R stands for the rate of interest, and N stands for the subsequent year. So let us take, so for the first year, what will be the amount? A, it will be 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power 1. It is the first year, for the first year. So amount for the second year, it will be 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power 2. So it is for the second year. So it is A1, this is A2. Then it is A3, 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power 3. So you can see here the power is increasing. The power is increasing. This means as the period increases, the power it is increasing. So here it doesn't maintain common difference. So as we you should know this question. This is very important. They may give the question asking whether the deposited amount, if it is simple interested at a rate of 8% per annum, then it forms AP. Now this situation, as you can understand here, it is not forming AP. So above situation does not form AP, because see that the terms doesn't maintain common difference. See, every time we got the interest as 300 only here, but do we get hit here? No. Why? Because the amount varies, the amount increases, the interest also varies, because here you can see the power 1, there the power raised by 2 and the power increased by 3. So it doesn't, we do not get the same amount for every subsequent year. So let's move to the next question. So write first 4 terms of AP. The first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So first 4 terms. So as you know, A1 in AP is A. A2 in AP is A plus D. A3 in AP is, yes, very good, A plus 2D. A4 in AP will be A plus 3D. So what will be the first term? It is A, just 10. What will be the next term? 10 plus 10. See, first term plus difference, it is 20. Then 10 plus 2 into 10, it's 30. Then 10 plus 3 into 10, it's 40. So the terms in AP, first 4 terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. So easy it is. So if you can find some more terms also. So next question, let's move to the next question. A1 is minus 2. Now what is A2? A2 is, as we mentioned here, A plus D. Okay, A plus D. So what is D in this question? Its difference is 0. That is minus 2 plus 0. It's minus 2 only. Then what is A3? Then it is A plus 2D. Then minus 2 plus 2 of, what is the difference? Once again it is 0. So it is 2 zeros is 0 only. So minus 2. So A4, once again the same thing, A plus 3D, it is minus 2 plus 3 of 0. It's once again minus 2. So the 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So if you keep on writing, you will get the same terms. Now let's move to the next question. So A1, as you know, it is A in AP. So it is 4. What is A2? It is A plus D. Then 4 plus of minus 3. So very important. Plus into minus, it should be minus. So what is 4 minus 3? It's 1. Then what is A3? See, you must understand some easy methods also. So I am implementing the easy method here. What is the easy method? It is, as you know, for subsequent year, subsequent term, the difference is added, isn't it? So I can write A3 as A2 plus D. Okay. Then it should be, what is A2? 1 plus of minus 3. What it is? It's minus 2. So you'll get the same. Even if you use the earlier formula, A plus 2D, you'll get minus 2 only. You can check out. Okay. Then A4. So what is A4? Let me use some easy method. What is that? S, preceding term plus difference. A3 plus D. It is minus 2 plus of minus 3. It is minus 5. Okay. Now, what are the terms? 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So these terms are the first 4 terms of AP. Now let's see the next question. So will you do these 2 questions as your homework? Okay. So we shall move to the next question. So you can log into your textbook online of KTBS and you can get the questions there. Okay, from your textbook. So you do it as your homework. Now for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. So very easy it is. So much more easier than what we learned the previous one. Okay, so let us see that. First write the first term and the common difference. That's it, you need to write. Okay, what is the first term? A is the first term. The first term is 3. What is the common difference? Difference D is equal to, as you know, general formula is an minus 1. So you can use some other formulas also. D is equal to a2 minus a1. So D is equal to 1 is your a2. 1 is your a2. Minus first term is 3. So what is D? D is minus 2. Minus 2 is your common difference. So do we need to check with the other terms, sir? No, not required, because they have clearly mentioned for the following APs. See here, it is already mentioned that this is an AP. So in that you need to write the first term and common difference. So first term is clear. The first term 3 and the common difference will be difference of the succeeding term minus preceding term. 1 minus 3 or minus 1 minus 1. That means you can check out. So D is equal to A3 minus A2 also you can write. D is equal to, what is A3? What is A3? A3 means third term. First term, second term, third term. Minus 1 minus, what is the second term? 1. So D is equal to, what did you get? Minus 2 only. See here, we are getting the same common difference. You can check with the another also. D is equal to, next A4 minus A3. Good. So then D is equal to, it will be, what is A4? A4 is minus 3 minus, okay, what is your A3? Here it is very important to understand, it is minus 1. Very good. Now its minus of minus 1 will be, minus of minus will be become plus. So D is equal to minus 3 plus 1. What is D? D is equal to minus 2. See, you can see all the terms are maintaining the same common difference. So let's move to the next question. So here in this question, so what is A? A is S minus 5, the first term. Now what is the common difference? How can we find this? Choose any term, any subsequent terms. That means succeeding term minus preceding term. You can do, you can take A3 minus A2. Okay, so D is equal to, what is A3? 3 minus of minus 1. D is equal to 3 minus into minus, it is plus 1. D is equal to 4. So they're asking us to find the first term and common difference. We are doing that. Now, so here the next question. So the common difference, first term is minus 5 and the common difference is 4. You need to underline the answers. Okay, underline the terms what they have asked. So here the first term is 1 by 3. Now what is the common difference? D is equal to, you can use any subsequent, what we say, successive term minus preceding term, succeeding term minus preceding term. So what I can do here, I can take the easy formula, the first one, A2 minus A1. D is equal to, now what is A2? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now what is D is equal to? Okay, it is, if the denominators are same, subtract the numerators. 4 by 3. So you can see here only, what is 5 by 3 minus, sorry, 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3? A3 minus A2. Okay, so 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3, it is also 4 by 3. Okay, A4 minus A3, 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3, then also you'll get 4 by 3. So the common difference is 4 by 3 and the first term is, yes, 1 by 3. So shall we move to the next question? Now you can see here we have 0.6, the first term. 0.6 is the first term. Now what is the common difference? Very easy. A2 minus A1, D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. D is equal to, what is 1.7 minus 0.6? It's 1.1. So easy, isn't it? So you can check out with another also. That is A3 minus A2. So what is A3? You can see here it is 2.8. Then minus A2. A2 is 1.7. So D is equal to 2.8 minus 1.7. D is equal to, once again it is 1.1. So the same difference you get. So no need to do twice. In just I am clarifying you will get the same common difference even if you use A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or even A4 minus A3. Now very important, which of the following are AP? So the first question is, you need to know or you need to check whether the given is in AP. If they form in AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So you need to, if they form AP, you need to find the common difference and you need to write the next 3 more terms. So let us do that. So here to find the common difference, first you need to take what is A1, that is 2. It is nothing but A. What is A2? It is 4. What is A3? It is 8. So you need to check whether is it in AP. So common difference must be same. If it is not same, it doesn't form AP. So we need not to find the next 3 terms. So next difference, D is equal to A2 minus A1. So I can write A1 also for the first term. D is equal to 4 minus 2. Okay, the next, D is equal to, what did you get here? 2. Then what is the another formula? D is equal to A3 minus A2. Now D is equal to 8 minus 4. Now D, what is the difference of A3 minus A2? We are getting 4 as a difference. See, here we are getting the difference as 2 and here we are getting the difference as 4. See, the difference is not same. So it is not an AP. So not an AP, no need to find the next 3 terms. So if it is AP, you need to find the next 3 terms. So let us move to the next question. So here the first term is 2. Now the next term, A2, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, it is in improper fraction. So if I convert it to mixed fraction, so what it will become? 5 by 2. It becomes 2 1 by 2. Isn't it? 2 1 by 2. It's nothing but 5 by 2. Okay. So that is equal to 5 by 2. Now what is A3? A3 is nothing but 3. Now what is A4? A4 is 7 by 2. What is 7 by 2? So 7 by 2, convert this. See, 7 by 2, I can write the 7 by 2 as 3 1 by 2. See, I am converting this improper to mixed fraction. You must know the basics. How to convert a mixed to improper and improper to mixed. So now you can check out. 2 2s are as 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. So you need to write that sum of, see, multiply the denominator with the whole number and add it to the numerator. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So now 5 by 2 is equal to 2 1 by 2. Now you can check even 7 by 2 is also equal to 3 1 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. So now what is the common difference? Let us see that. A2 minus A1. So D is equal to 2 and half minus 2. So the difference should be half. Now the next, what should be the next term? D is equal to A3 minus A2. Then D is equal to 3 and half. Sorry, A3 is 3. Okay, sorry. 3 minus 2 and half. So D is equal to half. Isn't it? So the common difference we are getting. Now they are asking us to find or to write the next terms, next 3 terms, A5. So what is A5? A4 plus D. Now what is A5? A4. Fourth term plus 1 difference you add to that. What is the fourth term? 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus ಅರ್ಧ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 3 plus ಅರ್ಧ 4 ಆಯಿತು. So like this 4 we get. Next A6. Okay, so A6 is nothing but A5 plus D. A6 is equal to